everyone. My name is Ravani. Our study project name. What percentage of people can understand and speak English language? A survey. Relevance of the topic. Vocabulary plays a vital role in language learning or spoken English. No one can speak language without knowing proper vocabulary. Initially, everyone should acquire sufficient verb power before going to speak. Basic vocabulary is necessary to speak English language at various places, that is grocery shop, vegetable market, supermarket, railway ticket booking counter, etc. To be continued.
To improve word power, everyone must learn even a single word a day. English newspaper reading is very helpful to improve word power. Many successful persons opine that reading English newspapers, they got success. The teacher should be a facilitator while learning vocabulary. Practical learning experience affect more than classroom learning. English is a global language. A good vocabulary helps to develop comprehension skill and master a language. Recent research proves that average people have about 10,000 words in their speaking vocabulary. Writing vocabulary refers to the words that use writing your ideas or thoughts. One of the best ways building a strong vocabulary is to explore the variations of a single word. To be continued.
Objectives: to improve spelling skills, to help students to understand how letters, symbols relate sounds, to know how the formation of words to help in spoken English, to know how to pronounce the words, to enhance the skill of learning synonyms. Methodology: quantitative research methodology, qualitative research methodology, sample method, working vocabulary, common words. Working vocabulary, it will be collected from target group with help of feedback from and oral questions. Target group: consumers at vegetable market, tiffin centers, grocery store, bus stop and bank, etc. And team comprising 6 students conduct the survey.
Findings and analysis. Findings based on feedback collected from target group. Target group comprises vegetable market, grocery store, tiffin center, bus stop, bank, etc. We 6 of our students initially prepared a questionnaire which contains vocabulary as well as communicative English topics. The ability in English language of local people is tested through questionnaire and oral questions by visiting various places in Belapalli. Initially, we went to vegetable market and asked the vegetable sellers and consumers oral questions about what are called vegetable in English. 50% of vegetable sellers and 80% of consumers answered correctly. Next, we reached to State Bank of India and asked customers to fill up questionnaires and asked questions orally. 70% answered correctly. Later, we reached bus stop and asked questions. Some of passengers replied and filled the questionnaires also. There are students and others in passengers. 90% of students gave correct answer. 50% other answered properly. At grocery store, we asked name of commodities in English available in the shop. 60% answered correctly. 50% said right answers for our questionnaire questions at tiffin center. We observed that some of them unable to say spellings for daily using words. Some of people didn't identify the silent letters in English words. Most of in the target group answered for opposite words, but they do not know the word antonyms in the pronunciation. We asked how many accents are there in English language, but they do not have any idea about Britain, American and Indian accents. Most of them uttered the given words like Telugu language means pronounced the words unnecessarily stressed and stretched.
Vocabulary should be taught through games, charts, placards, etc. Word building is very important in language speaking. One should achieve fluency whenever they practice daily. If one uses afterwards in their speech or writing, we can say that he succeeded. Suggestions: students should be encouraged to use English for familiar situations. Teachers should provide supportive or encouraging atmosphere. The habit of newspaper reading should help to learn new words in English language. Reference: Ren and Martin, The Little Lifco Internet Magazine. Thank you.